How to delete a user account on Windows 11. First, click on the Start button. Then click on the Search option. Type Control Panel on the search bar. Then click on it. Now click on User Account. Then click on Manage Another Account. Now click on the account you want to delete. Click on Delete the account. If you want to save the content of that account, click on Keep Files. If you don't want to keep the files, then click on Delete Files. Confirm the deletion of the account. Click on Delete Account. Wait a moment. Done. There we have it. You have successfully deleted a user account on Windows 11. It's a simple process that helps you manage your computer's user accounts effectively. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our 5-Minute Solution channel for more videos.